Around here, let's talk about the heat real quick. I've got some severe weather possibilities ahead, but first, if you take a look, these are daytime highs at DFW. A lot of reds here. That's a high above normal for this time of year. There's only 3 days in blue, and that's because it rained on those days. What's ahead of us? More heat. In fact, as we get to Memorial Day weekend, we're going to have very humid conditions, and temperatures are going to be in the low to mid 90s. So the feel-like temperatures are going to be in the triple digits. So we are talking about some serious heat for Memorial Day. Just between now and then, we've got some thunderstorms to talk about. We have issued a weather alert for both Wednesday and Thursday. The threat peaks during the afternoon hours on both days. I know a lot of people going to graduations here this week ahead, and we have just got these thunderstorms for Wednesday and Thursday. Could be rather powerful with large hail, damaging wind being the main concerns. In the next 3 days, tomorrow, kind of another day like today, very breezy. Temperatures get up into the 90-degree range. It's humid. We get some thunderstorms in the evening hours I'll talk about in just a second, but the much better chance of rain and thunderstorms Wednesday and Thursday, especially as we fall into the evenings, those chances continue. This is tomorrow's risk. Along the dry line, there might be some thunderstorms form. We're going to see that develop, make a run towards us. There'll be some clouds in the morning, then it clears out, and then these dry line thunderstorms make a run in the evening hours. They could have some punch to them. We'll keep an eye on them. Coverage doesn't look that great, really, but as we get into Wednesday, we actually have a front to break the cap in thunderstorms. The line should be coming through in the afternoon hours. Then that front stalls, and what that means is that stalled front, we get in the warm sector on Thursday, and then Thursday we've got significant storm chances as well. Now, if you're wondering about the weekend, Memorial Day weekend, we will include afternoon thunderstorms. But temperatures will be the story, both Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, with temperatures in the mid-90s. We just have to get through these weather alerts first.